If your Gmail storage is getting full, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to free up space in Gmail quickly and safely so you can clear out old messages, remove large attachments, and get your inbox back under control without deleting the emails that actually matter. This is one of the easiest ways to reclaim storage, especially if your Google account is running low and you keep seeing that annoying storage warning. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Gmail by visiting mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, you'll want to use the search bar at the top to find the biggest emails in your account. Type this exactly. Has colon attachment larger colon 10 megabytes. This search tells Gmail to show messages that have attachments larger than 10 megabytes. These are often the fastest emails to remove because large attachments take up much more space than regular text-only emails. After you run the search, take a moment to review the results carefully. You may see old files, documents, images, or email threads with big attachments that you no longer need. Open each one if necessary and make sure it's safe to delete. If the message or attachment is no longer useful, select it and click the delete icon. You can continue removing any large emails you don't need anymore, and this can free up a surprising amount of space very quickly. Next, go to your spam folder. Spam messages can pile up over time and still take up storage, so it's a good idea to clear them out completely. Inside spam, click delete all spam messages now. This will remove everything in the spam folder in one step and help reclaim even more space. After that, open your trash folder. Deleted emails are not truly gone until you empty the trash, so this is an important step if you want to actually free up storage in Gmail. In the trash folder, click empty trash now. Once you confirm, Gmail will permanently remove those messages. Now let's clean up some of the email clutter that builds up over time. Go back to your inbox and look for old promotional emails and social notifications you no longer need. These can add up fast, especially if you subscribe to a lot of newsletters, shopping emails, or social media updates. Delete anything you don't want to keep, especially old messages that contain unnecessary attachments or long email chains you'll never revisit. Then, for any mailing lists or newsletters you no longer read, unsubscribe from them. Open the message, scroll to the bottom, and look for the unsubscribe link. Removing yourself from these lists helps prevent your inbox from filling up again in the future, which means you won't have to keep repeating this cleanup process as often. If you want to stay organized long term, make it a habit to do a quick Gmail cleanup every few months. Search for large attachments, clear spam, empty trash, and remove subscriptions you don't use. Those few steps can make a big difference in both storage and inbox management. So that's how to free up space in Gmail the smart way. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one.